as you have said correctly that you are partyless, tribeless, and you are everything, I want you to know that what you are doing is about the spirit of the nation. Do not discriminate in the future. When you are looking for elective leadership, do not discriminate on the basis of age. Musije kama vijana museme ati amtaki wazee ama amtaki wengine. Anyiso umano gadieri, nikech the moment you start discriminating, that is the beginning of division among ourselves. So I just want us to look back a little kumanewai. Look at the history of all of these leaders. Leaders mineno moseringogi. Wan tiere gi magwa manwa e Azimio, wan tiere gi moko mane Kenya Kwanza. Diere mane gine hik, when they are your ages, when they were the age in which you are today, what was their behavior? Did they have the spirit of freedom maungogi? Were they like Baba? Kose were they liars? So seche maji bro duoge pap, the spirit that you have cultivated now, mokelo accountability, mokelo transparency, ma fight corruption ni, nyaka inge ni awendo okwe yiere. Nyaka inge ni nyathi thuol kato tin en thuol, kato ti en thuol, nyaka inge gigite. So elections bro biro 2027, ana kwayo jok matindo duto, ni what is important is now to scrutinize all of us who will be seeking elective office and look at how they grew up, look at how they have participated in the struggle and solutions to problems machando jo Kenya, and do not think ni they will change because they have sweet words. Kora kwayo jok matindo duto ni all of us are responsible for the leaders we elect, and the leaders must also be responsible and accountable to us. But since elections semanyalo timo change malongo, let us go to all elections as a truthful people is when we will get truthful results. Atieko kawacho ni wan kaka jo Migori County, gi jo Kenya duto, Migori County ka wa embrace all agencies and we will work with you as young people. Takwau ni should not destroy our own property. Kikigo jirandi e Migori County kam, ena suffer like yourself. Kikiketh duka ngato, ena struggle like yourself. Gimanyalo konyo this conversation, my young people kelo. Enika was stay true to the cause, okwa allow gangsterism to githaga riote over gini, mondo wachied kwa chomo mbele. Adwa weyo matin kamano baba, adwa manapimo ni okineno ka jo siasa obiro ka mang'eny, ane mowinja invite gi to nadagi. Nadagi nikech sa ose gik mowinjo wawinj Gen Zs wa jo siasa wawuoyo mang'eny. De gibiro ka de giwacho weche thore, gi gik mathore aeto ok giwinj ni gine ma giwuoyo. Koro adwaro ni mondo thuolo ni obed mana mari gi mar mama gi mar familia, mondo one leaders going forward will listen more to the people rather than talking everywhere, talking all over the place and talking nothing and doing nothing about what we say. Koro gimanok go, allow me jothurwa mondo take this opportunity mondo I invite mama. Mama in the reflection and reminder of the greatness of all mothers. And in maki wuoyo to Gen Z's winji nikech in mama gi. Wan ma wan tiere ka wang'eyo ni we learn a lot from mothers and you truly our mother. Koro wamiyo mama kinde, ok warwake uru mama te gi sigala gala maber kabisa.